Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with paper. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need colorful tissue paper, a pair of scissors, some craft glue, and a thin stick or paper straw for the handle. Selecting soft, pastel-colored tissue paper, like pink or blue, will give your craft that authentic, fluffy cotton candy appearance. This is a fun and easy craft for all ages. Next, we'll create the cone base for your paper cotton candy. Take a piece of cardstock, perhaps 8 1/2 by 11 inches, and roll it into a cone shape. Secure the overlapping edge with a line of glue or a piece of tape. Make sure the pointed end is closed and the wider opening is ready to attach to your stick. This forms the sturdy foundation for your sweet-looking treat. Now for the fun part, adding the fluffy cotton candy. Take your colorful tissue paper and cut it into strips or tear it into small, irregular pieces. Apply a generous amount of glue to the top of your stick and around the inside rim of your paper cone. Begin attaching the tissue paper, gently scrunching and layering it to build up that characteristic cloud-like shape. Keep adding until it looks wonderfully full. To finish your delightful paper cotton candy, consider adding some extra sparkle with fine glitter or tiny sequins while the glue is still wet. Once everything is completely dry, your beautiful, non-edible cotton candy craft is ready to display. It's a charming decoration for any party or room and a wonderful handmade gift. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. You won't regret it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.